Wait for it. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are going to have a look into this D8 50-watt outdoor portable wireless speaker. Mark my words guys, this Bluetooth speaker will beat all the biggest brand in no time. Now just before we deep dive into the video, let me welcome to all of you who are also new to my channel. Do consider subscribing to my channel. Here I tend to review all type of tech product where I can get my hands onto. Usually I prefer the ones which typically used by people here and there. In my videos, I tend to review them in pattern, like showing you the specification and what comes with it, following with the setting up procedure and the demonstration. So by the end of the video, you will have idea yourself the product you are looking at is for you or not. So if that is something you are looking for, why not hit the subscribe button? And let's carry on with this video, starting with the key specifications which are mentioned around the packaging. The first one we have is a 50-watt output with a deep bass, which is pretty decent enough, and it can peak up to 70 watt. Second one is 800 milliampere hour battery. If you'd like to play this speaker for 24 hours, no problem whatsoever. You can do it. I have already done it myself. Works great. No worries. You can also charge up your mobile phone too if you want to. Come with the IPX5 waterproof, which is kind of a splash proof. I will not deep dive this speaker into the swimming pool. Then we have NFC feature. That means that if you have got a mobile phone which supports NFC, you can just tap on top of the speaker to get all pairing information. Also supports true wireless stereo and available in two colors, black and a green. Let's not waste too much of time and see what comes within the packaging. Here we have everything which is included in packaging, starting with one USB-C type power cable, one 3.5mm auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, 12-month product warranty card, one multi-language supporting user manual, explaining to you each and everything you wanted to know about the speaker, which I will be also doing it too. And last but not least, we have a wking D5 outdoor 50-watt portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. Now, speaker being coming in a 50-watt package, you can easily make it out. It would be heavy. In the front of it, you have a fantastic, nicely done mesh, which come with a two 25-watt line driver and two passive radiators, which has got a very nice covering around it on both sides. If you look into more detail in terms of build quality, it all looks fantastic. You can't really find any faults around it. All controls and notification indicators are available on the top, starting with the one NFC tag, following with the microphone input and a battery life status indicator. Next to it, you have a status indicator light for Bluetooth pairing, power on and off button, following with the volume controls and play and pause in the middle. Speaker also comes with the equalizer button, which really enhances the sound quality. We will be testing it within the demonstration to show you its performance. On the back of the speaker, we have a compartment where inside you have a micro USB-C type charging port. Makes this Bluetooth speaker future compatible. Then we have a 3.5mm auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, following with the USB output, which will help you to charge your mobile phone on the go. Now remember, whenever you're using Bluetooth speaker outdoors around the water, to cover this lid properly. Now speaker being outdoor compatible, so you will be using totally outdoors all the time. So they have included the shoulder strap, which looks fantastic to be honest with you, and you can extend it too without any worries. Now if you'd like to know remaining battery charge, press this power button one time. Here is going to show you how much battery is left inside. It's got the 3 points in there. I'm sure you're going to divide 100 by 3. You will get your figures right. Now let's go ahead and power up this Bluetooth speaker, where I'm going to show you that how you can pair it with your mobile phone device, which is very easy and straightforward. Just need to make sure that the blue LED light on the Bluetooth speaker is flashing. After that, go down into the Bluetooth settings of your mobile phone. Now within available devices, locate D8, click on it. Once pairing process is successful, you're going to hear the notification. Let's go ahead with the performance test, where first I will be playing some royalty-free music from YouTube to give you an idea that how loud is the Bluetooth speaker and how's the bass. Within this performance, I will be keeping the volume to 100% and changing the equalizer button as well. volume control and navigational buttons are multifunctional. So to check their performance, you just need to increase the volume, you double click on it all the time, it'll go up. Now to navigate within your playlist, press and hold on plus button here. It will go next. Or go to previous song by press and hold on negative button. Simple as that. Now playing music from non-Bluetooth supporting device using the auxiliary port. As soon as you're going to connect it, speaker get disconnected from Bluetooth and you will be all on auxiliary port. While playing music, you can charge your mobile phone. Remember that it's a standard charge, not a fast charge. With that all going on, where you're charging your mobile phone as well as playing music on non-Bluetooth supporting device, you can also charge your Bluetooth speaker as well by using USB-C type cable. Simple is that. And while you're charging it, it will be also working as well. So it's never get disconnected. That's it. It works. Simple is that. Here I am in the end of this video, and I suppose I have shown you each and everything you wanted to know about this Bluetooth speaker, starting with what comes with it, what are the features, and the sound performance, which is pretty good actually. It's very bassy. Speaker is so bassy that I have to turn the volume down. Now if I compare this Bluetooth speaker with other high brand speakers like a JBL Xtreme 1, Xtreme 2, I would highly recommend this one because this speaker is not breaking your bank. True wireless stereo option is available. I cannot try it. I have to buy 2 speakers, which I did not have a budget of. But you can check out a lot of videos available on YouTube for that too. Now, in terms of performance and everything, I would highly recommend. Now, there are a few things which I would highly recommend a manufacturer should consider doing actually, starting with taking off this shoulder stripe. Obviously, when you're not using it outdoor, you should have to take them off easily, or they can turn into a handle. That would be great, to be honest with you. In terms of colors, there are 2 colors available so far I have seen. Green one looks fantastic. I don't know why I've never gone with that one. That is my mistake, but the black one is not bad at all. It always suits everything. Now, if you would like to purchase this Bluetooth speaker, I will leave a link in video description down below. And if you have any questions, write them in the comment section too. That will be all, guys. See ya. Bye for now. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you do so, by hitting this like button and subscribing it, let me know. Thank you and bye.